Hello CQ, call in CQ. Hello CQ, call in CQ. Golf 6 Papa Zulu, call in. G6PZ, call in CQ40, CQ40. G6PZ, Golf 6 Papa Zulu is by for any call.
Delta Lima 5, Oscar Victor, possible.
Delta Lima 5, possible again.
Fox Delta Lima 5, Oscar Victor, possible.
Fox Delta Lima 5, Oscar Victor, portable. Good evening, thank you very much indeed for the call. My name's Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, you're 5 and 9, nice signal with me tonight. And my QD8 is Southwest England. So with that, how copy from G6PZ, over?
Your copy is S5, S6, and I'm in the Brittany of France.
Okay, so your Foxtrot Stroke Delta Lima 5 Oscar Victor portable, QSL?
Yes, Fox Delta Lima 5 Oscar Victor portable, right.
Okay, and what's your name, over?
My name is Walshoot, Oscar Romeo Tango, Romeo Uniform Delta.
Okay, Oscar, thank you for that, very nice to meet you. And I guess, are you on vacation? Are you on holiday, over?
What is your name?
My name's Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, over.
Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. I'm
Yes.
with you.
Yes, Paul, that is correct, over.
Right.
So tell me more, over.
Very north of the Brittany, of the French Brittany. Well, I'm a kind of newcomer and just glad to get QSOs. Over to you.
Okay, Ortruth, very good. Well, welcome to our hobby of amateur radio. I understand you're new, so congratulations on becoming a radio amateur. So very, very nice for me to talk to you tonight. So here, the weather today's been okay. It's dry, around about 19 degrees. A little bit overcast though. So how is it where you are on Ortruth, over?
Well, the weather is quite identically. It's just 20 degrees, little bit wind. The Atlantic is just 16 degrees. Just lovely to have a little bath.
Okay, very good. Sounds good. Just for your information, Ortruth, it's a little confusing when you say Fox Delta Lima 5. It might be better if you say Fox Stroke Delta Lima 5. Like you say Stroke Portable. So if you say Fox Stroke Delta Lima 5, that's less confusing for us, over.
Oh, thank you very much for this. I'm here, as you now knew, I'm a newcomer. Now I would say Fox Stroke Delta Lima 5 Oscar Victor Stroke Portable. Better?
Yes, that's perfect. No problems, over.
Thank you very much, Paul. Thank you so much.
It's not a problem. So what equipment are you using there, Ortruth, over?
Well, in German I don't really know the English word. Not now. It's the German word is a Hühnerleiter, 11 meters, and then a dipole each side, 13 meters, all in 6 meters high. That's all.
Okay. Well, sounding okay, Ortruth. You're coming through quite nicely here tonight into southwest part of England. My side, I'm running an ICOM IC7300, and it's driving into an ACOM 2000A auto-tuning amplifier with 1000 watt output as my power, and my aerial, my antenna, Ortruth, is a quarter wave 160 meter vertical, which I can tune on all bands with a remote breakout auto tuning unit. So that's the setup here. So I live out in the country, Ortrud, so I don't have many neighbours or anything to complain about my aerials, etc. So anyway, back to you. F-DL5OV-portable, G6TZ, over.
Okay. Golf 6 Papa 0. It sounds very interesting, your antenna. I would very much be appreciated to see this construction, what it means to you, and but I'm just happy to be able to go into QSOs and now thank you very much for the stroke and back to you.
Yes, okay, Ortrud. No problem. Well, it takes a while to get used to the way we speak, I think. So no problem, and you'll soon learn the way we speak and how we do it. So no problem at all. You're doing very well. Okay then, Ortrud. Thank you very much indeed for the QSO. Thank you for the contact. I wish you a very good evening. Wish you all the very best. Make many more contacts, and welcome to our wonderful hobby. F-DL5 Oscar Victor portable, G6TZ, Golf 6 Papa Zulu, now clear with you. Bye-bye, Ortrud. Thank you for the chat.
Bye-bye, Paul. Fox stroke, Delta Lima 5 Oscar Victor stroke portable, Golf 6 Papa 0. Thank you so much, Paul, and 73.
Okay, Ortrud. My call sign, I'm not sure whether you have it okay. Maybe just your pronunciation. It's Golf 6 Papa Zulu, Zanzibar, Zulu. I'm hearing 0, but maybe that's just me. Anyway, 73 Ortrud, thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Would you like to correct it? It's Golf 6 Papa Zulu. Thank you so much, Paul. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.
But all the signals that you are receiving with these two antennas, you can basically kill the QRM, which is coming from one particular direction. You cannot kill with that system all the QRM coming from every direction. But if you have a particular neighbor, which is he's got very noisy inverters in his solar panels, you can kill the signal from that solar panel, from the inverter. And normally that is done through two antennas for reception and some very ingenious device which is called a noise canceller. Noise cancellers, they came about, I think, in ham radio about maybe 15 or 20 years ago, and now there are some very, very nice ones. They tend to be expensive, but they are very they can be very effective if you have that problem with one neighbor. And then with a noise canceller, what is happening is that these active antennas, they are catching the noise from the QRM source. They are, in a very clever way, they are deciding what is the shape of that noise, and they are injecting in your reception circuit an audio wave, which is exactly the opposite as the wave, the audio wave that you should be listening. So that noise is cancelled. It goes into something I think they call counterphase or something like that. But anyway, what it means is that the noise canceller will manage to identify the shape of the noise that you are having and putting exactly the opposite kind of noise so that you hear nothing. You only hear the signal from the ham radio station that you want to hear, and that is a very clever system. Maybe you heard about that, Lynn. It's the same, I think it is the same system that they use in the cockpit of an airplane. It is so noisy there, you know, with this thing flying at, say, 800 kilometers per hour. The noise in the cockpit would be unbearable. But there are some clever microphones catching the noise in the cockpit and injecting through some loudspeakers in the cockpit exactly the opposite. So that noise goes away like by magic. And that is, you know, you don't need to put a quad antenna to do that. You only need a noise canceller and two small noise reception antennas. How about that? Papa Delta 5 Lima Delta Bravo from EA4BP.
Papa Alpha 1 Mike Alpha Radio.
Still quite loud. The band is changing though. You're not as loud as in the beginning, but you're still a good 59 with me. Over. It was my pleasure, Lin. If you have the chance to put up a quad antenna, I tell you, you will not regret it. It's a bit of a pain in the neck to put up one, but if you can do that, you will be a happy camper, I promise. So, good luck. Lin, it was a pleasure meeting you, and I hope to catch you soon again. Compliments again for your license, and all the best. Best wishes from Spain. Dankjewel, Lin. Papa Delta 5, Lima Delta Bravo from Echo Alpha 4, Bravo, Bravo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Fernando? Fernando?
Who is the Alpha Tango station? Alpha Tango, come again. I heard one station ending in Tango. I wonder if that is Delta Lima 1. Would you go ahead, please? No problem. Delta Lima 1 Echo Sierra Charlie from Echo Alpha 4, Bravo, Bravo. Guten Abend. Thank you very much for the call. Big signal here, 59 plus, near Madrid. QTH is about 40 kilometers north from Madrid, the capital city of Spain. And my name is Fernando like Foxtrot, Echo Romeo, November, Alpha November, Delta Oscar. Back to you. Delta Lima 1 Echo Sierra Charlie from Echo Alpha 4, Bravo, Bravo.